Hydrating Glow Serum, rejuvenate your skin with hyaluronic acid. Welcome back, skincare enthusiast. How to make an hydrating glow serum with hyaluronic acid. A simple face serum recipe that includes hyaluronic acid. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon hyaluronic acid powder, a quarter cup distilled water, a quarter cup aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, optional. Instructions: 1. In a clean glass bowl, mix the hyaluronic acid powder with distilled water. Stir gently until the powder dissolves completely. This may take a few minutes. 2. Once the hyaluronic acid is fully dissolved, add the aloe vera gel to the mixture. Stir well to combine. 3. Add the vitamin E oil to the mixture and continue stirring until all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. 4. If desired, add 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance and additional skincare benefits. Some good options include lavender, rosehip, or tea tree oil. Stir well. 5. Transfer the serum to a dark-colored glass dropper bottle for storage. Dark-colored glass helps to preserve the potency of the ingredients. 6. Store the serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Refrigeration is optional but can help prolong the shelf life of the serum. To use the serum: 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly before applying the serum. 2. Take a few drops of the serum and gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. 3. Allow the serum to absorb for a few minutes before applying moisturizer or other skincare products. 4. Use the serum once or twice daily for best results. Note: it's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying any new skincare product to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, discontinue use immediately.